I have been using these Hettich products for last 7-8 years, and they are really good and the quality is good, and I have been basically using their hinges and channels and their modular kitchen fittings.
Especially I like the hinges that are displayed here. The hinges are so well designed, it can support such a wide range of weight, and also they come in such nice finishes.
We are using Hettich product from last decade, you can say it's more than 10 years. It's a very good product, very good company.